Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your home security in 2026, a smart video doorbell is one of the best investments you can make. Today, I'll be covering the top 5 best doorbell cameras of 2026, focusing on video quality, smart features, ease of installation, storage options, and overall value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Reolink Video Doorbell Plus Home Hub. 2K Wi-Fi, no monthly fee. The Reolink Video Doorbell Plus Home Hub is a premium battery-powered doorbell camera that delivers sharp 2K video quality with a unique 150 degrees by 150 degrees square view, allowing you to see visitors from head to toe. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi, advanced AI detection for people, vehicles, and packages, and includes local storage with absolutely no subscription fees. In real-world use, the video quality is outstanding, even at night. Motion alerts are fast and accurate, and the Home Hub ensures reliable local storage without relying on the cloud. Two-way audio is clear, making conversations easy. Pros: crystal clear 2K video, no monthly subscription, accurate AI detection, wide square viewing angle, strong battery performance. Cons: higher price than basic models. Hub requires extra space indoors. If you want a subscription-free, high-quality smart doorbell, Reolink is one of the best options available in 2026. Number 2. Wireless Smart Video Doorbell System with 7-inch touchscreen display. This wireless smart doorbell stands out with its 7-inch indoor touchscreen display, allowing you to see visitors without using your phone. It records 1080p video, supports motion detection, and offers local storage with no subscription. The indoor monitor makes this system perfect for families, seniors, or anyone who prefers a screen instead of an app. Installation is simple and does not require wiring. Pros: large 7-inch touchscreen display, easy wire-free installation, no subscription fees, clear two-way audio. Cons: only 1080p resolution, limited smart home integration. This is a great user-friendly doorbell system for those who want simplicity and an indoor display without extra fees. Number 3. Broan-NuTone DCAM100 NOC Smart Video Doorbell Camera. The Broan-NuTone DCAM100 is a compact and minimalist smart doorbell designed for reliable performance. It features motion detection, HD video, and a slim profile that blends easily with most home designs. While it doesn't offer flashy features, it delivers dependable performance for basic home security needs. It's especially suitable for homeowners who prefer a traditional brand. Pros: slim and modern design, trusted brand reputation, easy installation, solid build quality, limited advanced smart home features, lower resolution than competitors. A good option for users who want a simple, no-frills smart doorbell from a trusted brand. Number 4. Eufy FamiLock S3 Max Smart Lock and Doorbell Camera. The Eufy FamiLock S3 Max is a powerful all-in-one security solution. It combines a Grade 1 smart lock, 2K HDR doorbell camera, Wi-Fi keypad, and palm vein recognition for next-level security. This system is extremely secure and convenient. The palm vein recognition is fast and highly accurate, and the built-in screen allows you to view visitors directly from the lock. Pros: advanced biometric security, 2K HDR camera quality, built-in screen and doorbell, no subscription required. Cons: very expensive, overkill for basic users. Perfect for those who want maximum security and smart access control in one premium package. Number 5. GBF Smart Video Door Phone and Intercom System, PoE. The GBF Smart Video Door Phone is designed for advanced security setups. It features a 1080p camera, power over Ethernet support, smart keypad access, and the ability to control 2 door locks remotely. This system is ideal for apartments, offices, or gated homes. The PoE connection ensures stable performance, and timed unlock features add professional-level access control. Pros: stable PoE connection, controls multiple door locks, smart keypad and intercom, ideal for multi-unit setups. Cons: more complex installation, not beginner-friendly. A powerful choice for commercial or advanced residential security needs. That's it for today's video on the top 5 best doorbell cameras of 2026. All the product links are in the description below if you want to check the latest prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.